As you can see, we have a new looking planner, and that's okay. We can adapt to change. These changes are made to make this tool more effective for you, so that you find it valuable, and so it actually functions for you. So here's how it works. When you're in class, we fill out from right to left. And so let's say you're in science class and you're working on an assignment, and you can see that you're running out of time. And it's due tomorrow, so you can go ahead and do it as homework. So go ahead and write the assignment in there, and it looks like you're working on a gravity one-pager. Now, the next column says where and when I see myself working. And this is actually a very crucial step that has to do with your brain. So it turns out that if you visualize yourself doing something, it dramatically increases the chance of you actually doing it. So if you visualize yourself walking across the stage, getting your high school diploma, you just improved your chances of it actually happening, because your brain is on board making that happen. So if I want to exercise more and I am visualizing myself, I can't wait to get home and lay on the couch and watch Netflix. Well, then I might do that. But if I visualize myself petting my cat and then setting my stuff down and then heading back out the door for a walk, guess what's going to happen when I get home? I'm going to pet my cat and I'm going to probably walk out the door, because the brain's ready for it, and it kind of prompts me to do that once it realizes it's playing out that scene. So where do you see yourself doing your homework, and when do you see yourself doing your homework? Really, it's up to you. You got to find what works for you. Are you someone who wants to sit at the table, or do you like it being cushy in your bed, listening to music? That's the where. Whatever works for you is probably good. And when works for you. Are you someone who wants to snack first, who wants to chill first? Do you want to read? Do you want to talk on your phones? Do you want to play video games first? Or are you more of a person who needs to get it done out of the way so you have the rest of your night free? So let's say you're the kind of person, nope, I just want a snack, I'll get it done. So I'm going to do it at the kitchen table. So there you go. Next, what do you need to take home with you to have success? Gravity one pager, I got my gravity notes in my spiral, and I think there's some in my binder, so I'll just bring both home. And there you go. Yes, you have homework. So you are half done. Now, picture it. You get home, you have your snack. Guess what your brain says? It has this picture in your head of you doing your gravity one pager. So you're like, all right, I do have homework. You open up your planner and you see, oh yeah, I got homework in science. I need my binder and spiral. So you get those out of your backpack and you sit down at the table and off you go. And you're not quite done, because you just need to get back to school and turn it in. So don't check this until it's actually turned in, because turning in is a skill unto itself. You can see you have room for your other classes besides math, science, and LA, and your day 1, day 2. And this is meant to serve you. So good luck visualizing your future.